1, 2, let's make some art. I have a paper, white and clean, the biggest canvas you have ever seen. I pick a crayon, I pick a pen. Let's start the magic, tell me when. I draw a circle, I draw a line. Everything is going to look so fine. Red and yellow, green and blue, I can draw a world for you. Orange, purple, pink and white, make the picture shine so bright. Scribble having fun, look at what we have begun. Let's draw a sun up in the sky, make it yellow. A little bluebird flying high, tweet, tweet. Green, green grass and a flower too. Look at what my hands can do. A happy puppy with a wagging tail, swimming fish and a little snail. Red and yellow, green and blue, I can draw a world for you. Orange, purple, pink and white, make the picture shine so bright. Scribble having fun, look at what we have begun. Close your eyes and imagine it. Maybe a castle, maybe a dragon, or a rocket ship to the moon. Use your imagination. Ready? Let's paint! Now the picture is all done. We had so much creative fun. Put it on the fridge for all to see. You are an artist just like me. Clean the brushes, put them away.